We taking 64. All right, guys, arm your quads as we go hot on the tone in less than 5. Everybody's off. And Stargate takes another victim. All right, let's see who's going to be first to come across the start-finish line. And it's going to be Saber with a 46.4 on his first lap. Followed by McFly. Needs to pick up his pace a little bit if he wants to get them 3 laps. Needs to find 5 seconds. D-Wade, FPV, finishing his first lap. Saber just finished his second lap. If he can find 3 seconds, he can make 4 laps out of this, but we only need 3. More laps, the better. McFly's on a 3-lap pace. Provo just went on his 3-lap pace. That is time. When you cross, you'll be done. Keep going, Saber. It didn't get you. Keep going. You're going to get your 4th lap in. McFly, you're done. Alrighty. B-Rad, you're done. Provo, you're done. Land that bad boy, Paul said. All right, guys, everybody's down. Let's retrieve some quads. Saber, 4 laps. Just right there. Yeah.